Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to buy Pass Royale in Clash Royale. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Clash Royale mobile application, which of course I have done right here. Now, once you launch your Clash Royale application, which you can get on Apple Store or Google Play Store, of course, go through those applications and look for the search bar. In the search bar, type Clash Royale and follow through the on-screen instructions to download and install the application. And once you open the application, you're going to be asked to complete let's say a demo tournament. And once you're done with that first training phase, it's going to take you right into this home screen where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Clash Royale. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to buy Pass Royale in Clash Royale. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have the Pass Royale option that is locked. Okay, so go ahead and click on Pass Royale, and you have this prompt that says Pass Royale unlocks at King level 7. So it means you have to play this game until you get to level 7, and once you get to level 7, then your Pass Royale is going to be unlocked. So once you click on this Pass Royale option, it's going to take you to a window where you can now see a couple of Pass Royales that you can purchase, that you can buy, considering the amount of money that you have, or the amount of gold that you have, the amount of coin that you have. That is all dependent on what it will cost to get your Pass Royale. But this is pretty much where you can get Pass Royale to buy. At the top right corner of your screen, just go ahead and click on Pass Royale and buy your Pass Royale. Now remember, you need to play this game until you get to level 7. I'm currently in level 2. Yeah, so that's why this is not enabled. All right, but then this is pretty much the process. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.